In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money on your MoneyGram transfers by using promo codes. Understanding how to effectively apply these promotional codes can make a significant difference in your costs, especially if you send money frequently. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can take advantage of the savings available. To get started, you'll first need to search online for current MoneyGram promo codes. This is truly a crucial step. Promo codes often come with various offers and expiration dates, which means they change frequently. A simple online search using your preferred search engine can help you find the latest codes. Look out for reputable coupon websites or check MoneyGram's own promotional pages. These are usually reliable sources to get what you need. Once you find a promo code that seems to fit your needs, take an extra moment to ensure that it's valid for the specific type of transaction you plan to make. Doing this bit of groundwork can really save you some time and effort down the road. Once you've identified a suitable promo code, the next thing you'll want to do is go ahead and copy it. You can do this easily by selecting the code, right-clicking, and choosing Copy. Alternatively, you could use simple keyboard shortcuts like Control plus C if you're on a PC or Command plus C if you're on a Mac. Believe me, keeping the code ready to use will streamline the upcoming steps and make the process quicker. Okay, now we move on to the money transfer process itself. Log into your MoneyGram account, or if you're new, follow their instructions for sending money as a first-time user. As you proceed through setting up your transaction, you should be on the lookout for the promo code box. This is typically found on the summary or payment page just before you finalize the transfer. It's very important that you enter the promo code in the promo code box with accuracy. If you've copied the code earlier, you can paste it in here. Just right-click and select Paste, or use Ctrl plus V on a PC or Command plus V on a Mac. This method does more than save time. It also minimizes the risk of typing mistakes, which might otherwise invalidate the promo code. Lastly, make sure you apply the discount before proceeding with the final payment. Once you've entered the promo code, you should see a confirmation that shows the discount has been applied. Double check the total amount to verify the discount is reflected accurately.